Welcome back everyone to JJ Center DIY channel. Today we're going to be seeing how to change a differential fluid in a Honda CR-V 2017 to 2022. Great generation. And this is all-wheel drive, and that's why we are changing this. Front-wheel drive, we don't have to worry about it. Put the cars on jack stands and down we go. And here's your differential. Right, so the drain plug is towards the passenger side, right here, as you can see. Okay, fill plug is right here, and all you need is a 3/8 extension to break them loose. They'll be tight, so you need to make sure that you're able to get it in there and then break them loose. Okay, first take the fill side out so that you don't accidentally drain and that gets stuck or something, and then you come over here and you can absolutely take the other side to drain. Those are the metallic particles attached to the magnet, and crush washer also needs to be changed. Few things you need is 1.3 quarts of this Honda dual pump fluid too, and also you need a pump to pump this onto the CVT through the fill hole. You do need two crush washers, one 20mm and the other one is 18mm. Both these drain plugs take the same 3/8 socket, but their crush washers are different sizes. That's 20mm, and that one is 18, I believe, so just be aware of that. Okay, new crush washer, and this will take 35 foot-pounds of torque. This fluid pump works perfect for this application, but generally the syringe style also works, where you suck it in and push it in there. This is just like a lotion, you keep pressing and perfectly fits in this lid, so that works. Bad position. Okay, so that is 1.3 quarts, and it's starting to flow out of that, so we know it is correct. All right, now put the plug back on with the new crush washer and torque it to 35 foot-pounds. 35 foot-pounds. And that is it. After 1.3 quarts of differential fluid, we torque it to the right spec of 35 foot-pounds, and that is how you'll change the fluid on a differential for a Honda CR-V 2017 to 2022. Hope this video was useful. Subscribe if you can, and I'll see you in the next video. Check out another video for CVT fluid change as well, and that'll be posted right along this, so check that out. All right, I'll see you then.